everyone, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I am here with Chef Val today from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always a pleasure to have you here.
Thank you.
And we are into summer.
We are.
So tell us what we're making today.
So we're going to do a spinach pasta salad. So maybe your kids are home, maybe you're just needing some bulk cooking so that you can take something to work every day. But this makes a really large batch. So large, in fact, that we don't have a bowl big enough. So we're going to we need a very large bowl. And so we're going to make half a batch, okay?
Sounds good.
We have half a bag of salad fresh spinach, not just salad.
Okay.
And then on that, we're putting about 1/3 of a cup of olive oil. Oops.
That's all right.
Just a little bit on the counter, and
It's
a
the real
quarter
deal.
cup, right, and a quarter cup of vinegar. So I'm using a white balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
You could use a white wine vinegar. If you were going to use something like an apple cider vinegar, you might want to use a little bit less because it is very acidic.
Because of the different taste, basically.
Yeah, because of the different acidity.
Okay.
Okay, and so this is green onion and chopped green olive, and again, we're just going to do about half of that.
Okay.
This is 2 bell peppers. Actually, it's 3, and we chopped it up. So we have red, yellow, and green.
Okay.
And
again, is this something like if you didn't have these specific things, but
sure,
you can throw it in, mix it up?
yes, I mean, I was even thinking that like broccoli would be a good addition, or cauliflower, but you know, I'm trying to limit the ingredients, but you can swap anything out, right?
Okay.
Okay, and so then on top of that goes the hot pasta. And we'll just see how much of this that we can actually get
we
in
can
here.
fit in our bowl.
Right.
But again, it's like you said, because it's summer, you know, you're busy, you've got cookouts, you're going to work. I mean, there's different things happening. If you can put this all together in a big batch, then you've got it, and you can easily use it for whatever you may have coming up.
Yes, and so this is going to be a little bit difficult to get it all stirred up while we're standing here. But the hot pasta is important because it's going to wilt that spinach just a little bit.
Okay.
And the whole thing is going to going to lessen in volume quite a bit once I get it all stirred up.
Once everything kind of comes together.
Yes. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt, and then I have a lemon over here because I think a little lemon zest and even lemon juice at the end. If you taste it and you're like, that's a little me, then you could just add a little zest and juice and it'll be totally delicious.
And that's just giving it a little more, I guess for lack of a better, a little more tang,
Yeah,
a little more flavor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and so this is going to be great with your grilled chicken, fish, shrimp, and then even like canned tuna is a great thing to add on top of it.
So if you wanted to throw a little extra protein in there, you could easily do that. Make it a meal in addition to a side and everything else.
Right.
Okay, perfect. This is awesome. I know this is my chance to take a bite,
That's
so
right.
that's what I'm going to do.
And I'm just going to keep wilting
stirring
the spinach over here.
Oh my goodness, it's so good.
I think
It
it's
has
very
that whole,
light.
I was just going to say that light, summery feel.
Right.
It's perfect.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank
you
you
as always. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.